What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use controller to set rangefinder on snipers in Battlefield 6. This is actually very simple. Just aim down sights and look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a number there, that's your current range. For me, it's showing me around 200 meters. Right next to that number, the game shows the button you can use to change the rangefinder. On my setup, it's the D-pad down. Every tap increases the distance by 100 meters, so you can switch between 100, 200, 300, 400 or 500 meters. If you hold the D-pad instead of tapping it, the game will automatically match the range to whatever you are aiming at. If you want this to be even easier, you can remap the control, open your options, head to the controller settings, then go into infantry/passenger control mapping and scroll down and find the zeroing range input. Change it from D-pad to whatever you want. For example, L3, like the left thumbstick. This makes it way smoother cause when you are holding your breath while sniping, you can adjust the rangefinder without shifting your aim at all. And that's basically it. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.